Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync Google Keep with Google Drive. So Google Keep and Drive are both Google services, but they do not have a direct integrations for syncing notes between the two. However, there are ways to back up your Google Keep notes to Google Drive and manage them effectively. And to this video, I'm going to show you how. So you can, the first one, you can just attach Google Keep Notes to Google Drive. So you can just open a Google Keep Note, and then here you can just click on this three dots icon and choose this option, copy to Google Docs. So for example, I'm going to go with this one. You can click on copy to Google Docs. And now you can just open the Google Docs where the note is saved. And now you can see usually your Google Docs file is saved on Google Drive. So it will also stored on the Google Drive. You can also use Google Keep and Drive together. While they don't sync automatically, you can always use both apps to complement each other. The first one that you can do is just link notes to file. So you can just add links to Google Drive files in your Keep Notes by pasting the file shareable link. So you can also insert notes in Google Docs. Just open any Google Docs and then use tools and find Keep Notepad to view and insert Keep Notes into your document. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks.